Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate push to talk on Discord. Firstly, right-click on your name in the user list of a voice channel on Discord. When you look at the bottom of Discord window, next to your username, you'll find a slash through the mic or headphones icon. Click them to unmute. Make sure that mute and deafen are unchecked in the menu that appears. Click on the gear icon on the bottom left to open user settings, then on the left sidebar, select voice and video. Find the input mode section and select push to talk instead of voice activity. Click on the edit keybind button on the keyboard icon, and when the box turns red, press the key you want to use for push to talk. For example, right control key or mouse button. Then click stop recording to save your selection. Now join the voice channel and hold the key you set to talk. If your mic works, you'll see a green outline around your profile picture when you speak. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.